Hey boys and girls, today for math we're going to do a word problem, but it's a little bit different than the ones that we have done in the past. So let me read this one to you, and then I want you to take a second and think about it. It says, Logan has 6 frogs sitting on 2 logs in his fish tank. How many frogs are sitting on each log? Okay, listen again. Logan has 6 frogs sitting on 2 logs in his fish tank. How many frogs are sitting on each log? Well, here is some information that we already know. So we already know that he has a total of 6 frogs. We already know this. This is how many frogs he has altogether. And the other information that we know is that they're sitting on 2 logs. Now, it says it's in his fish tank, but does that really matter? That's not really important information for our story here. But what is important is that there are 2 logs and he has 6 frogs total. So we're going to try to figure out how many frogs are sitting on each log. So for this problem, I put a frog here and a log. So I'm going to put 2 logs. So there's 1 log, and then there are 2 logs. And remember, we had 6 frogs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these 6 frogs need to be sitting on these 2 logs. So how many frogs are sitting on each log? Well, for this problem, there are many different answers. So one answer could be 3 frogs are sitting on this first log. So how many frogs are sitting on the second log? Good. There are 3 frogs sitting on the second log. So one of our answers could have been, or could be, 3 and, or 3 plus 3 and equals 6, right? That could have been one of our answers. You are correct. Okay, but that's not the only answer. What if I move these 2 frogs over to this log? What do we have this time? Well, now we have 1 frog on the first log, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs on the other log. So this way it could have been 1 plus 5 equals 6. Excellent. And let me show you one more way. Okay. Maybe on this first frog, on this first log, there were 4 frogs. So how many frogs are on the second log? 2. Good job. So this would be 4 plus 2 equals 6. Excellent. So really what we're doing here is we are decomposing. We are breaking apart the number 6. So we can have 3 plus 3. We could have 1 plus 5. We could have 4 plus 2. And there are actually 7 answers that we could have for this problem. Okay, so you are going to get to practice a problem like this on the next screen.